In today's world where space and time are always shrinking with technology, everyone looks for solutions with a smaller footprint which can save valuable time. At Net4 Choice, we understand the importance of space and time in data centers where it matters the most. Introducing NPOD Smart Edge Data Center, an integrated solution of the most advanced technologies in data center infrastructure. Designed for a complete 42 usable space with minimum utilization for non-core assets built in with vertically mounted air conditioning systems that have redundant cooling mechanisms, advanced tubs, and power batteries that ensure filtered, sustainable, and stable power supply all the time. This arrangement enables you to utilize the complete rack without compromising space for your devices. Effective air circulation of the cooling system ensures that you always maintain the set point temperature. The NPOD Smart Edge Data Center enables remote monitoring through an advanced web-based administration module, featuring an email alert capability to ensure uninterrupted operation of your critical processes. Effective air circulation of the cooling system ensures that you always maintain the set point temperature. With a fail-safe design, the emergency exhaust fans at the bottom of the rack enable air circulation even in the event of a system failure. In a dual rack arrangement, the adjacent rack supports the cooling deficit even when the cooling system fails in one of the racks. NPOD Smart Edge Data Center comes with built-in features such as a biometric lock and a CCTV surveillance system with a high-definition camera that ensures authorized access and a high level of security. An integrated fire alarm system detects smoke and eliminates fire hazards right at the inception of such incidents. The NPOD Smart Edge Data Center can also be configured with the latest lithium-ion battery technology. The NPOD Smart Edge Data Center can be expanded to 2 racks as per your business needs and can be deployed in a day. The NPOD Smart Edge Data Center represents the fusion of technology and innovation, providing a space-saving and time-saving solution. It offers everything your data center needs within a single enclosure.